In this video, I will show you how to import post in WordPress. Go cursor to tool, then import. Select here like WordPress. Now run importer. And choose your file. Then update and import. The last, click on submit. So now you can see here we have this all post. So thanks for watching.